How to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Android. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Under your settings, you need to scroll down and you need to find the network reset settings. But if you don't find the option, there's a search option which is on the top right. Just simply go with search, and under search, you need to search for reset. Once you search for reset, you will have the option of reset all settings. Tap on it, and here you will have reset network settings, which is Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. So tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth, and then tap on reset settings, which is on the bottom of your screen, and you need to reset these settings. Once you reset, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, the next thing you need to do is make sure that you have turned on your developer options, which will be on your system, and then developer options, and make sure that it is turned on. Once you turn on your developer options, here you will have an option to enable Wi-Fi. You just need to simply scroll down, and here under networking you will have enable Wi-Fi Verbose login. So you just need to simply go and toggle that on. Once you've toggled this on, then your problem might be fixed. Or the last thing you can do is just simply restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button and then tap on restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.